Hello, everybody. Welcome back, YouTube family. It's Friday. It's Friday, and we made it. So we made it. What? We made it. Welcome back, guys. And today, y'all, I got a good one for y'all. It's simple, easy recipe. Not a whole lot of time, and it's Friday, y'all. So we're getting ready to get into the video. I'm about to pop my Coke open. Oh, it's got ice in it, y'all. Good and cold. I don't need no ice. All right. Y'all, and today I was able to get my nails done. Nail game. Check it out. Ow. What do you guys think? You guys like my nails? Anyway, y'all, today I have steak and potatoes with gourmet ramen. What? Gourmet ramen, y'all. And as I get into the video, I'm going to tell you guys about how I made this meal and how easy it was. Give you guys some good tips for y'all to try. But let's get into the video. Y'all, look at that steak. Baby, look at that steak. Look at that. Fall apart, y'all. And look at these wedges, y'all. Yummy. To my tummy. It's so tender, y'all. As you guys can see, y'all look at my ramen with all that goodness up in there. Y'all see my onions and celery? So delicious. My green peppers. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to tell y'all how I make this meal for y'all to try this. Y'all see how tender that meat is? So tender. Juicy. Y'all look. Y'all know this is good. Baby, this is good. And y'all, these packs of steak, you can get these for cheap. Like at your neighborhood food line, they mark them down for like $5 or $6. I like to get the thin steaks. Y'all, this is delicious. You know, sometimes you just want something simple and easy, especially when you don't know what to eat. You know, you can hide everything. Y'all, this is really good. Let me get some of this steak up on that potato. So good. Y'all got all these bursts of flavors up in here. Mm. 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 Yeah, so tender. Woo. Good, y'all. Try not to get too messy. Woo. Soda is good and strong, y'all. Woo, Jesus. Feel the burn, feel the burn. Okay, y'all. Now that I finally got into this delicious meal, quick, simple, and easy, I can give y'all some tips, y'all. I was hungry. Whew, excuse me. So, y'all, the first step is get your steak in the oven. Whatever seasonings you like, your choice. What you do is, before you cook your steak, put it in cold, salty water like I always tell you guys to do. So you can wash it real good. And the salt makes it tender as well and cleanses your meat. Okay, so once you do that, pour the water off. Pour you a little oil at the bottom of your pan. And just, excuse me, lightly. And then put your steak in there. Then put your seasoning on top of the steak. Get you some whatever potatoes, whether it's red, white, it doesn't matter. Whatever potatoes of your choice. Go ahead and excuse me, y'all. Cut them up however you like. I cut them up in big wedges so you guys can see. Or you don't have to cut them up as big as mine. But it helps to cut them up in big wedges because you're going to cut the oven up on hot heat. Well, depending on your oven, my oven is a gas oven. So gas is not as hot. So I put mine on like 425 to 450. After I put everything in the pan together, the potatoes, whatever veggies you like, I did onions and green pepper. Put a little seasoning on top. Put just a tad of water at the bottom of the pan. And then sprinkle some more seasoning on top after you get the potatoes and the veggies on top. Cover it with aluminum foil and just let it cook. Let it bake. Let the oven do all the work for you, y'all. And y'all cook it to y'all's liking. I like mine to cook all the way till it's, falling apart. Juicy and falling apart. But if you like yours tough, you eat yours tough. But I like mine falling off to pieces, okay? I cook mine. I check it after the first hour. If it needs to cook a little bit more, I keep on cooking and keep on cooking until it gets to my liking. When it gets about done, I take the foil off and let the meat and the potatoes brown on the top a little bit. So that I let it cook the rest of the way, so it can get that little brown on there. And voila, you're done. And then the noodles, y'all, the ramen, what I did was I let the water boil first with onions and celery. And I put a bay leaf in the water. And so for this, you're going to need about a little under half of water in your pot. Normally we put just a little bit, but you need enough to cook down your vegetables in the water and so that your broth can season really well. So I put some chopped celery, chopped onion, 1 bay leaf, a tablespoon of garlic, and I also put a tablespoon of pepper in the water for the noodles, and then I let all that boil down until about, y'all know about how much water you put when you are making ramen. So I let it boil down until it get to that point. Woo, y'all. And then once it boiled down, I put the noodles in there, and I don't worry about the water because y'all know when steak cooks, it makes its own juice, like its own gravy, because you want your noodles and everything to, you know, have the flavor of the steak. So if it didn't have that much water left, don't worry about it, because you're going to pour it over in your bowl or your pan with your steak. And you're going to get some of those juices from your steak in the noodles. So I put it all together, y'all, and voila. Y'all talking about something good. It is delicious. It's the bomb, y'all. Y'all look at this steak. See how easy that pull apart? With no problem. It's so juicy. Tender. Flavorful. I put a little chopped garlic in mine. Clove garlic, or either you can use mince. I like to use garlic, pepper. Garlic powders, onion powder, a little soul food seasoning in my steak. I use a whole lot of other stuff. Y'all know I love some seasoning. And while it was baking, the house was smelling so good. And y'all, when I was boiling the broth for the ramen, the bay leaf, onion, and celery, garlic powder is making the house even smell even more good. With all the aroma of flavors, y'all. I hope y'all took notes. Y'all, 'cause it's delicious. Quick, easy, and it does not require a lot of work at all. At all, y'all. So flavorful. If you guys are new to the channel, won't you push that subscribe button for me? Don't you guys forget to like and share. I'm always going to be sharing tips with you guys. Recipes. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comment box. You like this video, give it a thumbs up. So delicious. Y'all, you cannot go wrong with this. You guys know kids love ramen too. This would definitely be a good one for the kiddos. You can get the vegetables in there. Cause see, the onions, the green pepper, the celery, all that stuff cooks down. So they won't even pay no attention to this. All they know is smell good and it tastes good. Delicious, y'all. Good. Well, y'all, today is Friday. Y'all, we made it. We made it. Y'all, I just about finished that. I'll eat that a little bit later. But y'all, we made it. We made it. We made it. Yes. It's Friday. I hope you guys have a great weekend, a blessed weekend. and I'm still praying for you guys. I hope that you guys stay positive. And what you guys doing this weekend? I'm thinking about y'all going to go see the new movie Bad Boys. Will Smith and Martin Lawrence. I don't know yet. The weather is supposed to be getting very, very cold according to the news. So I don't know. We're supposed to be getting some precipitation, weather, wintry mix. I don't know. I have to see, but I don't know. But anyway, guys, this is all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I did. I love you guys. Stay tuned to the next video. Peace.